It wasn't real smart, was it, buddy? I'd like to introduce you to my friends, Arkansas State Police. Let's go put him in the car.
Hold on, my leg, please. What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Please. Please.
Okay. Appreciate you, Bird.
Put your foot on me, man.
Central, we're in pursuit of that stolen vehicle southbound on Pulaski from 19th Street. It's going to be occupied by a black male with a white beard. Southbound Pulaski at 23rd. Speeds are 60, no traffic. Eastbound Roosevelt, going to be moderate traffic. Speeds right now are 30. Passing Chester on Roosevelt, speeds are 65, no traffic. Roosevelt passing Arch, speeds are 70, moderate traffic. It's going to be occupied one time, black male, bald head, white beard.
King 47, Broadway at 6, I'm close to the state police is direct officer over the area. Street at Roosevelt.
Passing Main on Roosevelt, he's on the wrong side of the road. Stand by. I'm trying to get around traffic. He's still eastbound. Roosevelt coming up to I-30. Roosevelt at I-30, still eastbound. Be moderate traffic.
Henry, I'm catching up to you guys. I'll call it once I get up to you.
Alright, I'm trying to catch up to him. I'm still eastbound Roosevelt coming up to Springer. Still eastbound towards the airport. Speeds are 85, light traffic. Still eastbound Roosevelt, light traffic. Speeds 105.
Traffic here at Roosevelt Airport. Are you two, man?
Yeah, I'll call it. I'm fine. We're going to be approaching Bond Street. Speeds 90. Traffic yielding, very light traffic. Roosevelt passing Bond. Speeds are 60, light traffic. Stand by. Riley, go ahead and call it.
Did you say you need me to call it?
Yeah, go ahead and call it.
Southbound operation bike speeds 85 miles an hour, light traffic, approaching College Station. Can we notify the county, please? Open 4 right here at College Station, still southbound. Westbound on 3M Road. Speed 31 miles an hour, light traffic. Continuing west on 3M Road. Engage 42, go run code, so you can be up there with canine assistance, and you can be the third in the pursuit. Yes, it will, so I'm trying to keep this up there. Continue on 3M Road, passing this industrial park. 3 miles an hour, light traffic. Continue on 3M, 65 miles an hour, no traffic. Hey, Raleigh State Police is up on the LRPD. They're coming up on school. Okay, we're back on Springer, heading towards Credit Mountain area, 88 miles an hour, light traffic. Yeah, let's get back towards Roosevelt. He's making a loop. Get somebody in the area of Roosevelt with some spikes. Back north on Springer, just past Baltimore, 88 miles an hour, light traffic, traffic stealing. 440 eastbound, 82 miles an hour, light traffic.
Yeah, get this trooper up here as soon as we can. We're getting on 440. If he's in this Nissan coupe, he's probably going to end up burning us if he gets on straightaway.
Trooper's getting out with 630 split. Keep just going out out of 46 eastbound, speeds 115, light traffic, clear yielding. One of the outside lane might be taking a exit here, 1022 back to the inside lane, 11 miles an hour, medium traffic. Passing back edge, still eastbound, Interstate 440, medium traffic, speeds 107 miles an hour.
Hey, Central, patch ASP in so we can communicate with them, please.
They should be patched in. A little bit heavier traffic, speeds are 93 miles an hour. Still eastbound Interstate 440.
Little Rock, Young 5-2 to ASP, what's your 20?
He's on my 6, I see him, he's coming in hot.
Okay, alright. Alright, yeah, we'll move over as soon as you get up here, buddy. ASP's fixing to pit him, so when we pit him, gunpoint, out, gunpoint, don't hesitate. Get out, and I want to see your hands.
View radio silence after their TBI, we're doing a high-risk takedown.
Hey, Riley, you and Tatum get him at gunpoint, I'll work the radio. Take him, push down pike, push down pike.
Looks like we're going to be going east on first day and back towards the city. He's 440 eastbound, get back on the ramp. Trooper's trying to get around to Stephen, let him take it.
Yeah, alright, I'm number 2 now, Central. Get ready. TVI, TVI, TVI. Go, 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 go.
26 truck on the wrong area. TVI, TVI.
TVI, TVI, TVI.
I got him.
Taking him in the cuff.
Car's clear.
Taking him in the
Cuff him. Get you on your face. Get your hand out from underneath you.
What really smart was it, buddy?
10-15 one time, clear the net.
I'd like to introduce you to my please. Okay, I'm not resisting, man. Hold on, my leg, please.
What's wrong with your leg, buddy?
It's just hung up in the lines.
Okay. We'll get you out the briars, bud.
Sir,
Put your foot on me, man.
step up.
King Target, I'm 10-4. What's your ending location?
Sarge, we're just west of the bridge. Off the,
Let's go.
reckon it'll be the east side of the interstate, southeast side of the interstate.
Hey, you got yourself here. Let's get yourself out.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Was that shooting him?
Nope. That was a pretty good move. I'm trying to get away from that. Oh. Give me 30 seconds. Count 30, please. Please, sir. Come on.
We ain't got 30 seconds. Let's
Gotta
go.
walk up this hill, man. I know. Come on. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, shit. Motherfucker. What was that?
Yeah, it's an amigo.
What was you thinking? What you mean? What was you thinking?
Bro, you looked me right in my eyes.
I looked you in the eye?
And then took off. Did you not?
No, I did not. No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. You saw us.
Yeah, I saw y'all.
Yeah, why you take off?
Can I tell you when they ain't listening?
Yeah, come on. You can tell me right now.
No.
Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Get in
You
there.
really want to beat me up, don't you, man?
No, not at all. I want you to sit down like an adult. Sit down. Sit down.
Yes, sir.
Keep your feet in, man. There you go.
Y'all saw him killing? Yeah. Man, we was first. We was first on it. Hey.
Good job.
Nobody's body here.
That's why I just say good job. You just put this on.
Yeah, if you don't mind, please. I'm just trying to keep them off of you for a second. No, you're good. That's just, everything's on the shoulder, so I'm just trying to keep the trash from not to crash. Appreciate it.
I appreciate you, Bird, man.
Yeah, well,
Coming to save the day.
he called me and he was like, hey, we're looking for this car. And another unit stopped at me at Broadway and told me about it. And so I was trying to listen to him. And then they sent me to a crash right as y'all requested us. And we had people making traffic stops while y'all were trying to request us. And I was like, it was a mess. I was like, get off the radio. We're trying to get this car.
I'm like trying to get my hand held out.
That's my buddy Bird. I told you about State Trust Tatum. He's he's in his FTO period. He was at 19th of Pulaski with the door open. He looked back at me and he smiled and I said, "Get out of that car." And
Yeah, I heard they were on Springer going back to Roosevelt. I was about to take the Springer exit, even though it shut down. I was going to slow roll it.
Roosevelt, and I was like, well, I'm out of it now.
Well, we weren't patched yet.
another,
I didn't know where y'all were.
we got another stolen vehicle on University right now, so I'm
Are you
sure.
serious?
Yeah.
But anyways, I heard y'all getting on 440, and I was like, I'm here. And then I heard Garrison was like, I'm at Bankhead when I put out where y'all were, and I was like, dang, he's out to get it.
Oh, sorry. Hey, will you help him search that car, Tatum? I appreciate it. Hey, just letting you know, there's no damage to any city vehicles except for ASP pitted him. So, all right, we'll see you when you get here. One of y'all's radio said something about they needed somebody to go to Jacksonville, so I don't know if that's where he's.
Towards 67.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it.
Hey, start and restart.
Okay.